Once upon a December morning, when the first frost kissed the window and the smell of cinnamon drifting through the air, a small town prepared for Christmas. In the corner of that town lived a young woman named Alina, known for her love of crafting things by hand. But this year things were different. Money was tight, the town Christmas market had closed, and decorations were too expensive. Yet Alina had a dream to fill her home with Christmas warmth, not from gold or glitter, but from her heart and imaginations, her thoughts. One day, while cleaning her attic, Alina found an old basket full of burlap fabric, jute ropes, and scraps of laces. She smiled, whispering, "Maybe Christmas magic lives in old things too." So began her beautiful Christmas adventure, crafting joy from the simplest thread of life. Helena started with a plain wiring and wrapped it tightly with soft burlap strips. Then she wound jute rope around the edges, knotting teeny pine cones, cinnamon sticks, dried oranges between them. As she worked, she whispered a wish with every knot, one from her family, one for her neighbors, and one for the world. When she hung the wreath on her door, it did not sparkle like the store-bought ones, but its glowed with warmth and sincerity. And the night when snow fell, it seemed the wreath shone under the moonlight as if the wishes were true alive. Next, Elena made little angels from burlap and jute. She cut small triangle pieces for dresses, rolled teeny wooden beads for faces, and tied jute string for hollows. Each angle was different. One had wings made of lace, another had twin skull, and one for golden ribbon she saved from chocolate box last Christmas. She placed them near her window, and every time the candle flicked behind them, their shadow danced on the wall like angel celebration Christmas in her cozy little home. It reminded Alina that even in the smallest home, light find a way to shine. The next day, Alina wanted a Christmas tree, but she could not afford, so she made her own from rolled cardboard wrapped in burlap, splat with jute twine, and decorated with handmade star from old button and beads. She stood back and looked at it. It was not tall or fancy, but felt real, like something made with love, not money. Her little tree became the heart of her home. That night, when children passed by her window, they stopped and smiled. The tree glowing softly under candlelight reminded them what Christmas truly meant: hope, creativity, and love. A Christmas approached, Lena decided to share her craft with others. She made small jute wrapped jars, filled them with cookies, and tied burlap ribbon on top. She left them quietly at her neighbor, the old man who lived alone, the mother with three children, and the baker who always gave her extra bread. In the morning, she the town woke to find those humble gifts. each carrying a little note made with love from old thing because nothing is ever too small to bring joy. And for the first time in a year, the whole town came together to celebrate. They decorated the park with burlap garland and jute star made by everyone. Alina's idea had sparked something magical. Community built on creativity and kindness. On Christmas night, as snowflakes covered the rooftop, Alina sat by her handmade tree and smiled. She realized something important. Christmas is not about how much you spend, but how much love you weave into what you make. Her craft told a story not of luxury but of faith, hope, and joy ribbon from simple things. So, if you ever find yourself without fancy ornaments or glittering lights, remember Alina's stories. Pick up a piece of jute, a bit of burlap, a pine cones, or a ribbon, and create your own Christmas magic. Because handmade decoration carries something store-bought one never can, a piece of your heart. So, friend, as you prepare for this Christmas, let your imagination guide you. Turn old things into new joy. Use burlap jute and nature beauty to decorate your world because Christmas is not found in shop, it's found in your hands, your home, and your heart. Please subscribe.